Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by launching Word and signing in. This connects your files and enables auto-save. Once done, grant storage permissions so Word can access local and cloud documents. Now tap the plus or open to create a new document or pull a recent file from OneDrive or your phone. Make sure to choose where to save. Cloud saves sync across devices, while local saves stay on your phone. This first step gets you into the editor and ready to type immediately. You'll now focus on editing. Tap text to place the cursor and use the ribbon for font, size, bold, and paragraph alignment. Once you need structure, open Insert to add images, tables, or comments. These tools behave like desktop Word but optimized for touch. Make sure to use Search and Replace for quick text swaps and enable track changes when collaborating so edits are visible. If you make a mistake, tap Undo. These steps speed up mobile document work while preserving accuracy. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap Save or trust autosave to OneDrive. Use Export to create a PDF. When sending, choose Share Link for collaborative editing or attach copy for a fixed file, and make sure to set View versus Edit permissions so recipients have the right access. If sync or save fails, check your network, toggle airplane mode, or sign out and sign back in. As a quick troubleshoot, restart the app. That resolves most permission or sync hiccups and gets you back to work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.